Welcome to the WinusconFile Explorer tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through its key features and functionalities with confidence. Get ready to boost your productivity and take your file management to the next level with Winuscon. Winuscon allows you to copy files to folders created based on file properties such as author name or subject. Let's see how this works. First, select the MS Word files you want to organize into folders. Next, click and choose Copy Files from the Explorer menu and select to Document Properties. Select the property, for example the property category, which will be used to create folder name. Winuscon supports up to 5 levels of subfolders for detailed organization to be set in the custom copy menu item. Change file attributes in a batch job. Changing file attributes in bulk is simple with Winuscon. Here's how to perform this task. Select the files and click on Change Attributes from the Explorer menu. Set the desired attribute values, such as read-only, hidden, or system attributes, or a new date. Finally, click on Execute to start the batch job. Your files will now have the updated attributes. The Multi-Rename tool lets you create a definition mask for new file names. Place one of the 16 properties in the mask to form the new file name. This tool also allows you to replace parts of file names with new text, and you can include file counters in the new names. Winuscon includes standard Explorer options such as printing files, examining file properties, and zipping or unzipping files. A unique feature of Winuscon is the ability to display cloud services like Google Drive in the FileExplorer panel. Uploading files is as simple as dragging them into the Explorer and dropping them into the selected cloud service. Next, we select Google Calendar, nicely positioned next to your File Explorer. The possibilities are limitless. Enjoy and be much more efficient in your business or home activities. You can manage which cloud services are listed in Settings Yield apps. Another advanced feature is the Folder Generator tool, which creates folders and subfolders in a batch based on parameters like date ranges and counters. Each template you create is saved in the database for future use. In the second example, we will create folders and subfolders using date ranges and special days of the week the therapy sessions will take place. In this example, the sessions are only on Monday and Thursday. Each folder will contain the defined list of subfolders when the folder generator is finished. You can also print the content of a folder or export it as a PDF file. Just select the root folder first, set the parameters of the report, finally select Print or Export to PDF. The Special Folders menu allows you to select from a list of predefined folders, saving you the trouble of searching through Explorer repeatedly. Your printers. Save time with the desktop, programs, and taskbar menu buttons. Simply click to list files in the Explorer. Desktop, programs, taskbar. The Comment Explorer displays the website using the URL stored in the comment field of an MS Word document or photo. For example, you can add a YouTube video link to a photo or a LinkedIn profile to an application letter. The TV wall lets you view up to 8 screens at a time. First, define which screens to display and how they must be displayed in the database. You can preview each screen directly in the database setup screen. Finally, click on 4 or 8 to display the desired content on the main screen. The Group, Select and Show menus help you display and organize your files exactly the way you want.